Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we will show you how to replace the inlet valve on a Hotpoint washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your machine is no longer filling on a program, then suspect the inlet valve. Start by removing the top by taking out the screws at the back. With the screws out, tap the top to release it and put it to one side. The inlet valve is located at the back of the machine, under the dispenser housing. Remove the two screws that go through the dispenser and one at the back that goes through the inlet valve. And lift out, unclipping the electrical connection. Transfer the seals from the old to the new valve. Put the new valve into position and refit the electrical connections and refit the screws back in. Put the top back on and the screws in the back. And there we have it, one valve replaced on this Hotpoint washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.